Hi, I'm Amanda of Inspiring Inkin. Welcome to my craft room. Today's video is a little bit different from me. I have some exciting news to share. From January 2018, I'm launching a range of online classes. I am so excited to be able to share these classes with you, and you can take a class with me from the comfort of your own home. What I'm going to do in this video is explain to you how they're going to work and show you up close and personal some of the components of the first kit called Petal Palette that will launch on the 1st of January. So this is how it's going to work. You register for class and I will send you an invoice for the class fee. When all of the registrations are in and they're open for 14 days, so January's class will be open from the 1st to the 14th of January, all of the orders will be placed and all of the products will come to me to be packaged so that I can add in all of the components for the projects that you're going to make, and then they'll be shipped out to you. At the same time as the kit ships, I will be sending out to you some PDFs with all of the information of the products used, and also links to online videos that are exclusive just to the attendees of this class. Each month it will be a different set of products, it will be different projects. Some months it will be all cards, sometimes there'll be 3D projects in there. It will be a mixture. And you can take as few or as many classes with me as you want. So shall we get started and have a look at all the products that you're going to be getting in this very first class. What I'm going to do now is show you exactly what comes in the online class. Basically, it's a class in a box. So I'm going to send you the products that you need along with all the cut and scored pieces that you need for you to make 6 cards. You'll make 2 cards of 3 designs, and I'll show you the card kits in a moment, but let's start with the main star attraction, which is Petal Palette, which is this amazing stamp set. So it has some fabulous greetings. I love the fonts here. We've got watercolored dots, and then here we've got some roses and this beautiful bird and leaves and flowers. It's a really lovely set. It's clear mount and red rubber, so really easy to use. And as well as the stamp set, you will receive a memento ink pad, 3 stamping blends. So this is Pool Party Dark and Light and Old Olive in light, and you're also going to receive an Old Olive ink pad. So those are the components, the product components, but then you're going to receive these card kits. So they'll come packaged like this. So this is a kit for 2 cards that are the same. So it's nice and tidy in its cello bag. You have scored card blanks, layers for the inside, you have ribbon and cut pieces for layers. You've got embossed pieces here. This is a brand new embossing folder. You're going to need this. This is amazing. It comes as a set of 2. And of course envelopes, because you can't send a card without an envelope. So that's 1 card set. Here is a second one. So this is Pool Party. You've got more embossed pieces, some rhinestones, some die cut pieces, patterned paper, and these beautiful Petal Passion embellishments. Obviously the cut and scored card blanks and envelopes. And then the third design is here, and this is Old Olive. Got some more embellishments here, embossed layers, and then some die cut pieces, which are absolutely beautiful. So all of those packets will be sent to you along with your products in one of these lovely, really solid A4 sized paper trays. Now the card kits will be at the bottom because obviously I don't want them to get bent. But then you're going to have your stamps in there and your ink pads, and everything is going to be put onto the top and parcelled up, sent in a jiffy bag and sent to you signed for post. Now, I'm sure the question is, Amanda, how much is my class? And the price of the class is £49.50. Now, that includes everything that you've seen. So it includes all of these card kits, cut and scored, ready to go, and all of your products. Now, there is an additional bonus. Right now, we are in Celebration, and Celebration is Stampin' Up's best time of the year. So for a £45 spend, Stampin' Up will give you a level 1 Celebration choice. So you will also get a level 1 Celebration choice. You just need to let me know which one you want and I will make sure it's in your package. Now, that leads me on to, well, Amanda, what if I've got a Memento ink pad or an Old Olive ink pad? You can swap those out. So if you've already got these components, we can swap them out for other things to equal value. That's not a problem, you just have to email me. And then you might have seen these amazing die cut pieces and go, okay, that looks like they match or coordinate with the stamp set. You'd be right. So there is a die set called, I'm just going to read it, Petals and More. And it's fantastic. You might want to add this to your class. So if you want to take advantage of the bundled price and to get the dies at the same time, you can absolutely do that. The total price of the class then will be £74. But it's quite difficult to see with the dies what kind of the shapes are. So let me just get these out and just show you quickly. So you've got these intricate pieces. I love this, I've been using this so much. You've got a flower there and some stems, another tiny flower, and then this really intricate leaf. And then you've got the solid shape. So if I just bring back the stamps, you can see. So this piece is actually to die cut the flower. Obviously that's the bird the other way. That piece is this one. That piece is this flower here. And then obviously this is designed for the sentiments. So it is a brilliant die set as well. The standard class is £49.50 and that doesn't include the dies, but I have die cut these pieces for you. So you do get to see them anyway. I hope that's answered all of your questions about Inspiring Inkin online classes. But if you do have more questions, drop me an email at amanda@inspiringinkin.com. And just a couple of reminders for you. Class registration starts on the 1st of January 2018 and closes on the 14th of January 2018. I can only ship to the UK, Austria, France, Germany and the Netherlands. This is due to Stampin' Up rules and regulations. I hope that you'll take a class with me soon. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye.